Hello there. Watch me again. Let's see what we can do today. So hopefully we're going to be going through there. It's going to be very nice. I'm very much looking forward to it. It's going to be a good ride. Hopefully I do not get stuck, because that would be very hard to get out. I would be doing a lot of the walking. I do need to put my glove back on, but let's do this. Lekker! Look, it's a very beautiful day and very, very nice. We just came from the off-piste up there. I wasn't going to take the chances and try to f that one up. I came very close. Have a nice look at the other glove. Hello there. Okie dokie, lemon smoky. Ah! Let's do this. Whee! Yow! Woo! That was a rock. Let's go this way. You want to follow the ridden path, otherwise you're going to be doing a stuck. Or you get very lost, because the path unridden is the path that no one's taken for a very good reason. Wait! Oh no, I've done a stuck. Okay, let's see if we can make it down there. Why are you aiming at the sky? Uh-oh. As you can see, it's not aiming downwards. There we go. In the f***ing snow. It's not very good. Okay, we got the momentum. We got the tree in front of us. There we go. Oh no. I'm even deeper than I was before.
A few inches later.
Oh no. Okay. I'm up to my knees in snow now. This isn't very good. I'm going to have to get onto that track over there. Why is this such hard work? Okay, we're going to do a climbing. Get over the board. There we go. Now we need to do the climbing, which isn't going very well. I'm properly stuck now. Let's just cool off in the snow. It's very nice and cold. Woo. Well, some nice trains. Come on, make the ledge and hustle. And okay, I might have to do the taking of the board off to get on this one. I can't use my other hand, which isn't very good. Okay, we're standing. Okay. This was a bad idea. But I can see down there is where we're meant to be. And now I'm sitting again. It was a nice little run down there. But I'm sweating my balls off. Come on. I'm just sinking further and further into the snow. I just need to have a little rest and get back the energy I just used making this fucking hole. It's not very nice, but we can make it sooner or later, hopefully. Oh no. Okay. Why is it so deep here? Come on. Come on. Almost there. I really wish I could use my right hand. This was a bad idea. Okay. But we've got all the snow. And we make it a chair. Much better. Much more better. I've really done a goofing over here. More snow, more snow. Get behind me. And dig my feet out. Okay, we almost there, guys. Don't you worry.
One eternity later.
Okay, We're up and we're facing the downhill. No. Come on. Get away from my boat, Snow. You're doing me a weighing down. Okay. Now that I'm sweating again, I should have followed the paths. Why did I choose not to? Oh no, this is bad. This is very bad. Guys, I've really fucked up this one. I just need to get some momentum so I can go on top of the snow rather than fucking through this. Look at that! I mean, that's just gnarly. That was a lot of snow. This really isn't working in my favor. There's a road down ahead though that I need to join up with. Maybe there's a reason people didn't come this way. Come on! I just feel like every push my feet are going deeper and deeper. Okay, you know what? Hello, it is me again. As you can see, I've opened up my jacket because it took me approximately half an hour to get out of the shit show I put myself in. It wasn't fun. I thought I was going to die. I found the road and I followed the road. I was not fucking around. That was very dangerous. Oh my god, I am tired now. But I'm fine. That's all that matters, I guess. I hope you care. Not doing that again. That was a very bad idea. But I can go up the yellow gondola and take you down the off-piste over there. I was able to accomplish that before I started recording the other one. But yeah, I am not doing that again. Look at all the nice off-piste over here. Can you see it? I hope so. I'll probably come down there or down over there. But I'm definitely not going down over there again. That was fucking horrible. Or it was silly decision making on my behalf because I wanted to make a new path, which was a bad path. I ended up in snow that came up to my waist. I was very stuck. But I'm fine. Later, I will check you in a little bit. I need to regain my breath and my stamina because I have none right now.